What's up, Govee fam? Jacob Rowe here from JRowe Inc. and GoveePermTrack.com. Today's video is sponsored by Govee. They sent me a Outdoor 2 50-foot kit, asked me to do a video with it, and so here's something creative I think maybe I came up with to help out for this holiday season that maybe you haven't thought of but might be helpful. How to use Govee outdoor lights for a temporary use case. This is super relevant if you missed the Black Friday sale. We're planning on Govee Pro and you're going to do a permanent install with mounts or a track system, or say you're having a holiday party and you just want to put lights up temporarily and you really like Govee and so you think it'd make a great look for that. Or if you wanted to put up lights at your office and just put them up for an office party and take them down. Really, any temporary use case, this methodology will work great for you to, on a fairly small budget, put up Govee lights, which will look still great at night, without all the things that come along with them being permanent, like the sticky adhesive being stuck and having to peel it off, and the holes in the soffit from your clips and screws and all those things. You can actually put your lights up and enjoy the season, enjoy your event, and then take them down fairly easy and continue to reuse them. Maybe you're crunched for time and you can't get your installer, the installer you want, or your plan ready for your more permanent professional install, but you want to have the lights for the holidays. This would be a great way to do that. Link in the description below to follow the link for the discount, as well as the link to the clips. Okay, so here we are at my table, and there are a ton of videos out there that go over what's all included in the box, the unboxing videos, the how to hook the strands up, all that type of stuff. I'm gonna focus just on showing you the methodology for putting up the lights quick and take them down quick for a temporary use case. We've got all our ingredients, so to speak. We've got our extension cable. We've clearly got the lights testing right over here. You can see from the glow. And then the key to this whole thing are these little clips right here. See if you can see that. And you'll notice, like on this extension cable, I can do a little test here. They fit perfectly. And then this little latch goes right over the top like that. That's what we're going to use. That is the key element to this whole plan of making it work for a quick fix that will also stay up through some snow, through some weather, through whatever need be, but also makes it fairly easy to take them down when it's time to take them down. Let's head outside and figure out, after you test your lights, the next thing that you want to do is, of course, determine your power supply, assuming you've kind of got an idea of where you want to run the lights. Okay, so let's give a quick look. Of course, we got to have a plan, right? Now, whether you're putting these up for an event or you're putting them up temporary on your home or whatnot, each thing's going to be different. However, I'll show you what we are doing on this home. We're going to go on this one. We're going to go power in the garage. We're going to run our power right out the corner there. And we're going to go up and we're going to run over, around, and cover the front of our home here. Now, a key element anytime you're putting up Govee outdoor lights, be it the Outdoor 2 or the Govee Pro or whatnot, spacing that is equal with all the lights is important. So you need a good spacer, and you can use a block of wood. You can use a piece of like this is a piece of track material. You can use a piece of cardboard. It doesn't really matter. I found that using a piece of a raceway, this is a piece of Govee Perm Track, the product that I make, but put double-sided sticky tape on the back. You know, you can buy that at any hardware store or your Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. But you put double-sided sticky tape, and you can use this as a hands-free measurement tool. So I'm gonna fix up the power supply, run that cable, and we'll be ready to put up the lights, and I'll show you how that looks. This is just temporary. We're not trying to do our professional full long-term install here. If you want to see what that looks like and more info on that and how to install professionally and or use track systems and all that, check out my other videos. I've got plenty of videos on that, and love to hear from you in the comments. But let's take a look here at what we're going to do for the temporary power setup. We've got this plug here currently utilizing for a camera, and it goes up behind here, and you can see it comes right around over there, and then there's our camera. We're going to run right up there, and we're going to start our lights here. Here's a good look at the temporary finished product. You can see here where the power, you know, it's still not horrible. You can route the wire all nice and neat right into the top corner of the garage, and it doesn't affect the garage at all. You got to be sure that you keep it out of the track, but you can use these clips to do that. This is what you get when you install Govee just normal. So, but this is a great option for having Govee lights. You can app control this season. Now I'm going to show you here real quick just how easy they are to take down, so you can plan for your permanent install when the Govee Pros are available, or even if you want to install these permanently with brackets or clip mount or tracks, Govee Perm Track, your permanent long-lasting install. Let's take a look at how easy these come down. As you can see, no residue. These clips are still very sticky, and these are still good to use at the next location or anything else you want to use them for. Use them for your back patio, whatnot. Keep them for your professional or more permanent install with 3D mounts and or you know, a track system, paint to match, whatever it might be. At least you got your Govee lights up for your event and or the holiday season, and you know, it's a great way and an affordable way to make that happen on short notice.